Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of if your this PC or the desktop option is missing in your Windows 10 PC. So if you just install Windows 10 and you are missing the desktop option here, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Or if you just if your this PC option is hiding or missing, I'm going to show you how to do this also. So first of all, you just need to right click anywhere in the desktop area here and then go to the personalize option. If you don't find the personalize option here, you can just go to the start menu here, go to settings option, then here you can see the personalization option here, so just click on it, then go to the themes option here in the right here, left here, click on themes, and then you have to choose the desktop icon settings here, so just click desktop icon settings, and then there you can see there's an option called computer here, so you have to check mark the computer option here, or if you're missing the network or recycle bin icon also, you can also check mark this option here. So if you uncheck the computer option here and apply, and you will see there's my this PC or the desktop icon is not showing right now, it's missing here. So if you just click on computer, check mark here and click apply, and here you can see that this PC or the desktop option is showing here. So that's it guys, this is how you fix the problem of your missing desktop or this PC option icon in your Windows 10 PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.